What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This will be a really quick video. I am reaching out to everyone on this channel. I know I've met a lot of you at car shows. I know a lot of you are passionate. I am working for the Bay State Antique Auto Club this year as their chief judge. We are looking for help. We need folks for our July show. It's the 50th anniversary of this show. I have been going to the show for 25 years at least. This is the show that got me into giving me my love of the car show scene. So when they asked me if I could come and help, I absolutely want to. I know some of my sister clubs or partner clubs are busy that day. I know the Mustang Car Club of New England has a show the same day in Fitchburg, and I couldn't make it. I have reached out to a couple of other, clubs that are in the area, so thank you to you guys. I know you're trying to get some folks for us. So the Mass Auto Club down in Attleboro, and the Mass Cruisers, I know, is trying to see if they can get some folks for us too. So I truly appreciate that. I know Spindles has helped us in the past. I believe they're going to try to again this year. Here's the thing. This is going to be a really big show for us. It's a historic show in the area. Again, you don't get to 50 years very often, one of these shows. Our goal is to try to, continue to make this club a great club for as long as we can and support what we're trying to do. So I'm just asking, if you can be part of this, please reach out to me. Send me a note in the YouTube comments. Send a note over on our Facebook page on Bay State Antique Auto Club. Send a note over to me directly on Facebook at Bill May. There's a lot of different ways you can get in touch with us, but we need help this year to make sure the show goes off the right way and we get the right people. If you're able to come and support it, the show is in Dedham, Massachusetts at the Endicott Estates. It's in the second Sunday in July every year. We'll provide lunch for you if you're able to come there. We'll get you a cool lanyard with your name on it. Talk about your judging status on there. You don't have to be an expert in all classes. What we need folks that are passionate and they know their stuff. I can help you, the Saturday before. So we set up the Saturday before. It is a weekend commitment typically, but if you're able to do it, you'll have a lot of fun. I did it last year. It was great. We were parking cars. We were talking to tons of great people. I shot an amazing video. I just had an amazing day. So if you can help us, please let us know. And again, if you're an expert in any area, we could love to get you in a couple of the classes. We got stuff all the way from, the brass era stuff all the way up to modern muscle. So it's a really cool concept. So like I said, please reach out to me if you can help. We need as much help as we can get. We appreciate all of you. Thank you for checking out the channel. I'm not even going to ask you to subscribe this time. What I need is judges to come help us out. So if you can, please let me know. Thanks so much.